All right, so I've been having a problem with a couple of the machines now that they're getting a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna make. Okay, so as I was saying, one of the things that I'm running into on a handful of the machines is that annoying thing where you start a game and it spits the ball out and then the ball goes right back into the trough. It bounces off the little whatever it is. I was having that on Jackpot, right back, and actually Pinball, and then something else, Starship Troopers or something, I don't know, another one. So I was looking and trying to figure out why it was doing what it was doing, because they were all working fine. I rarely saw that. And then I discovered that there's a little metal flap that kind of directs where the ball goes. So if you look at this, you can see here's the little metal flap, and the ball is supposed to go out and kind of down towards the plunger. But what's happening is it's going straight out. That metal flap has bent up and it's going straight out, hitting the whatever it is, the side of the shooter laying there, and then bouncing back into the trough. So really the fix is super simple. All you got to do is just carefully bend that little flap down towards the plunger a little bit. Don't go too crazy with it, because then the ball won't fit. It'll just go thunk thunk, and you'll never see the ball. I think that's pretty much it, and it seems to be working. I suppose if you have a problem with that little flap bending back up over time, then maybe that metal is a little bit weak. I guess you could theoretically get it to where you want it to be, and then sink a little screw right behind it just to kind of hold it in place. That would probably work. Or put a post back there behind the metal, just that fits snug against the metal so that it doesn't, it's a little bit harder for it to bend back. But that's probably a pretty extreme case. Anyway, so that's how you fix that. Pretty straightforward, and I think that's the end of this video. All right, bye.